What you doing?
Okay, so I thought of this great idea because I fill up my water bottles, but I want it filtered, and this is the thing that RVers use. And so I just put it on here. We have water. We let it go a little bit, and then I can fill up my water bottles like this, filtered water. Voila!
How do we know how clean that filter is? I think we can buy at Walmart a some kind of thing that you put drops in, and we can see if minerals and what's being whether it's clean or not. So that is the only thing I would add on to that. In fact, when we go to the Walmart, that's what we're going to be doing, girl.
Yeah, I've only used this filter maybe 3 times, so it's pretty new.
Okay.
But
I see a lot of people doing it, but then I see they have filtration systems in their rigs as well.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be fun. We're going to test out the water. Right. To follow up on Cindy's idea that she just has to use that blue filter that's from the tap and it purifies the water, what we did is we bought a test kit, and it is Safe Home Basics. And what does it do? It tests about 12 different chlorine, hardness, alkalinity, nitrates, fluoride, carbonates, iron, copper, calcium, pH. So we're going to test 2 bottles. One, they each came from different places. This one was at Louisiana campsite Holbrook. So we're going to stick the test in 1,000, 2,000, and now we're going to lay it up against the number sequence here, and they say wait 30 seconds. Did you set the timer?
Yep.
Okay, so now we're going to, well, we should wait. I am so excited to know these results. I wanted to test both water.
So while that's a brewing, where are we going today? What are we doing besides you dancing?
We're going to kayak, and then we're going to head towards Little Rock. Okay, so what does all this mean? Only the shadow knows for sure. It means that your water here is hard, okay? So you are drinking hard water. Here, it just, are you chlorine free? The answer is yes. Iron, there's no iron in there. Copper, you're pretty good on copper. No copper. Nitrate, you're good on that one. You know, that thing's doing pretty good.
Oh, good.
Let's see. Nitrate, calcium, pretty good. Chlorine, let's see what that chlorine is. You're good on chlorine. I mean, it has a little chlorine in it because it's not totally white. So we are so scientific. I mean, a lab should hire us. So the water that we have here comes from a truck stop spigot. First one was from a campsite. This is from a truck stop. So we put this in here, 1,000, 2,000. Pull it out, put my back to you because that's normal in filming. And let's lay this down, wait the 30 seconds. You know, we should just put it on the sucker like it's supposed to be. 30 seconds. Tick tock, tick tock, a tock, a tock, a tick. All right, let's take a look.
We cut her off.
Come over here. All right, I'm gonna pick it up this time so you don't bend down.
Okay.
Let's take a look. So we're gonna move it over. Moving it over. So it looks like you did have hard water, but it was not very hard.
Okay.
Okay, chlorine free, yes. That was chlorine free for sure, okay. Next was iron, didn't have any iron in it. Copper, didn't have any copper in it. Nitrates, number pretty good. Nitrites, number good. Calcium, you're still good in the 0. Chlorine, really good there. Fluoride, you're even lighter than 0, so that's good. And alkalinity, we're moving over to about right here, halfway. And notice it's also already dissipating. You're still good.
Yay.
I mean, it's not perfect. I mean, this one's not that good. The alkalinity there. Yeah, just way over here. But pH is like at 7. So that's not really bad. Says who? The person that knows absolutely nothing about test kits.
So I can drink my water.
I still would use a Berkey. I still would use a filtration system, but that's me.
Okay, bye.
And you're so healthy. Bye.